Hello, paper crafters. Amy here with Graphic 45, excited to be showing off our latest collector's edition, Imagine. Look how gorgeous this steampunk inspired line is. I'm showing off first the 8x8 collection pack. You're gonna get 3 of each of the 8 double-sided 8x8 papers, as well as a sticker sheet in this collector's pack. Dive right into that signature page. Look how gorgeous that lady is on the front, intertwined with the beautiful roses in the pinks and mauves with the nice gold gears. Very steampunk. So much creativity and possibilities with this line. You gotta love that house in the air on the signature page, setting the theme for this gorgeous steampunk inspired collection. And on the B side, we have this really fun stripe page. Here is Beautiful Dreamer. Look at those gorgeous roses done in those different shades of pinks. And then you've got some fun clocks intertwined in there. On the B side, you have a nice little rose page. Here we have Adventure Beacons. And this is a really nice border page and some stamps to get in there and cut apart to add and enhance and decorate all of your Imagine projects. And of course, the 8x8 sheets are just a shrunk down version of the 12x12. And so this is just great for any of those smaller scale projects that you're looking to create. So these can be great for card making or little mini albums, just kind of depending on what you are working on. Of course, it's nice to have both the 8x8 and the 12x12 so you can have your options depending on what you're doing. And so that is up and away. Look at the fun text page on the B side. I love this one. This was called Spread Your Wings. Look at those fun butterflies with the clock centers. A really fun way to intertwine that steampunk feel. And then a nice bead stripe on the back. Here is a really great cut apart page. This page is so usable for just enhancing any of those Imagine projects that you're creating. You can just get in there and cut away and just add those on to the front of cards or into a mini, and a really nice polka dot on the back side. Here's a nice collage paper. Got those hot air balloons with some of those other signature items in the line, and a fun little blue butterfly on the back side. So that is the 8x8 sheets. You're gonna get 3 of each of those, like I mentioned. You're also gonna get this 8x8 sticker sheet. This is the first time that we have done stickers in the 8x8 size, so you definitely wanna grab this set while it's available. So that's perfect for dressing up those Imagine projects. The 12x12, you're gonna get 24 of the sheets. You get 3 of each of those goodies. They're just the larger size, so that's great for those bigger projects. And on the sticker sheet, you have a lot more stickers on this 12x12 sheet. Look how fun those borders are, as well as like the stamps with the hot air balloons. So many great images, perfect for embellishing those Imagine projects. Of course, we have a few samples here from our Imagine kit, which there's going to be a link on that we'll put below, so you can check this out on our website at G45papers.com. You can get a kit where you can create these gorgeous Imagine cards. I'm just going to show off 3 of the cards here in this kit. You can not only get to create these beautiful Imagine cards, there's also instructions for the Love Notes cards, which is another collector's edition of ours, and we'll have another video that you can check out if you want to look at Love Notes. As well as we have an album kit, which is that you can create this beautiful Imagine album, and there's so many fun possibilities with this. So definitely check it out on our website at G45papers.com.